Welcome, in front of me is a myPhone Iron 3, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. To get started, let's open up the standalone contacts app, which is right here. And as you can see, by default it will show you all the contacts that are located on the SIM card with this icon of a SIM card and a number. I assume there is 2 different slots for the SIM card, so that's why there is number 1. So from here you want to tap on the 3 dots, go to Settings, Import and Export Contacts, select the USIM, Next, Phone Contacts, Next, and in here you will have all the contacts that are located on the SIM card, so you can select all of them if you want to by tapping right over here. If you don't want some, you can simply deselect them like so, and from there, once you have everything selected that you want, tap on OK. It will begin copying them, and as you can see, we're now finished. And you can now see that there is some contacts that don't have the icon next to it. So as you can see, they are now repeating and also don't have that icon. And if I were to take out the SIM card right now, which I can do, well, let's do it right now. As you can see, contacts disappeared, and now we only have one of, well, he's still duplicated, but that's basically what I imported. So that is how you would copy contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.